Hello world, again. This is Terry Rucker, owner of Service Smart Masters, where we do moving, lawn service, and cleaning for commercial and residential customers. I'd like to talk to you today about the law, just a little bit, just a little bit. You see, it's come to my attention that apparently there's a difference between filing charges and pressing charges. You see, the average American does not have the ability to press charges against anybody for any reason. They can file charges, but they can't press charges. The only person who can press charges is the prosecutor or the district attorney, so on and so forth along those lines. This came to my attention when I realized that I know somebody who had filed charges against somebody else for forgery. They had forged their name to the back of a title to a vehicle. Now the vehicle's worth well over $15,000, not including what they put into it, la-da-da-da-da. But no charges were ever pressed. The prosecutor, for some reason, decided that, well, it's not important enough. I also know of somebody who has gotten pulled over for not doing anything at all. They were written a ticket for failure to identify as a witness and resisting arrest. Oh yeah, that was me. I went to court for that, and they dropped the failure to identify. The resisting arrest is on appeal. I believe that the Fourth Amendment protects me under both of those. So we will see how the appeal goes on July 31st. But the question becomes, why is it if somebody gets pulled over for not doing anything but exercising their rights and telling the police that, no, you can't see my ID. I'm a United States citizen, and the United States Constitution grants me the right to tell you no. It covers you to ask me for my ID, but I can tell you no. But I go to jail, I get arrested, embarrassed, and then I get charges pressed against me. One of them's dismissed, and I ain't even do anything. But the person who tried to file charges and get charges pressed for forgery, that's a felony. Why would the prosecutor not want to press that issue? Well, I don't know, but it's aggravating the hell out of me. I've been thinking about it all day, and it's starting to bother me. I believe that we need to raise awareness to this situation. I wish I knew what a person could do to make sure that when you file charges, something's done about it. Isn't that what the police are for? To protect and serve? So, how it is. If you file charges, the district attorney or prosecutor has the option to press the charges, meaning the person has to go in front of a judge and all that good stuff. Or they don't have to do anything at all. They can throw it in the trash and call it a day. And there's nothing you can do about it at all. So, is it wrong to do something to somebody in the eyes of the law? Is it wrong to forge somebody's name, to steal somebody's property? Is it wrong to steal gas? I'll tell you what is wrong. It's wrong to charge $3.50 a gallon. That's wrong. We know that. But I'm worried about the state of everything. Everything that's right and wrong. What are we supposed to do? I'm at the point now where it's like it doesn't really matter. You know what? Screw the police. Because if I call the police and tell them that you did me wrong, they're not going to do anything about it. If I tell them you stole something from me, they're not going to go and get it back. They're not even going to look for you. So why would I call the police? What sense does that make? So there's documentation that they didn't do anything? So I'm looking for comments. I'm looking for suggestions on what we can do. And if you have any ideas on what I can do to help my friend who filed the forgery charges, let me know in the comments below. You can also like, share, and subscribe to this here, and I'll be posting more and more videos quite regularly. I look forward to hearing your comments, your questions, and Yeah. Oh, by the way, here's a nice little shameless plug. Check us out on Facebook, ServiceSmartMasters.com. We do moving jobs. We do lawn care. We also do cleaning, residential and commercial. All right. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.